Hey there, everybody, this is Mary Beth Angelelli here, back on another video today to talk to you more about the Power Lead system. And I just want to do a quick Power Lead system review for you to bring you up to date and up to speed with some of the benefits and primary advantages to the Power Lead system, utilizing it, and why you should take a close look at the Power Lead system. First off, what exactly is the Power Lead system? You might be wanting to know. Perhaps you're out there doing some research on the Power Lead system. Well, what it is, it's a marketing funnel that helps you to generate traffic and leads to your business. For example, if you have a primary business, you can connect up the Power Lead system to your primary business and use it to collect leads and build your list and build your primary business. And if you don't have a primary business, well, no worries, we got you covered. You can completely use this awesome lead generation system and marketing platform with many, many tools to build a business from scratch. And it's really, really amazing. We're right here, right now in the back of my office, back office of Power Lead System. And I'll tell you what, I'm loving this system. I've actually been a user of the system since 2015. I started actively promoting the Power Lead system last year in 2017, and it's been really an amazing opportunity. As you can see, this is the way my back office looks. I've turned all of the products green. And what that indicates is that I'm a owner, of all of these products, so I can use them to help me to build my businesses, and I can also promote them and share them with other people just like you, who are looking for, you know, a system just like this to help you to build your business and also to earn some phenomenal income with the Power Lead system, especially if you're all in like myself. You can go out there and you can start to earn unlimited $20 commissions all the way up to and including $1,000 commissions, because we had a brand new product release this past May of 2018 called the Master Traffic Institute, MTI. And it sells for $14.97. What's nice though is you can actually do a split pay, and you can pay half at the time of purchase and the other half in 30 days. So, that option has been able to help a lot of people to get into and purchase the Master Traffic Institute and dive into the awesome training that is put on by 6, 7, and 8-figure earners that literally teach you everything that you will ever need to be successful in any home-based business. They teach you how to build a business from scratch. They teach you all kind of awesome things, from social media marketing, how to use online marketing, blogging, video marketing, Facebook marketing, postcard marketing, magazine marketing. I mean, everything in the online space and everything that you need to know to be successful to generate a full-time income in the offline space. So it's really, really tremendous value. And I've gone through it, folks, and I've taken away, such great content that I've been able to go out there and apply and implement. And it's helped me in my other businesses as well. So there's amazing, amazing content and value, and that you can build your knowledge base and your skill set with these awesome products. Everything from, the regular gold membership to the diamond, the platinum, and the Master Traffic Institute. We've got the free ad secrets as a diamond member. We've got Social Profit Academy for platinum members, and we have Master Traffic Institute, which is, like I say, the $14.97 product. So you can earn $1,000 commissions here, unlimited $400 commissions here at Platinum, unlimited $100 commissions here at Diamond, and as an affiliate, as a gold member, you can earn unlimited $20 payments. Okay, and these are residual payments as a gold member, and then you can also go on to earn, bonus overrides from the efforts of your team members on all of these levels as well. So it's really, really an awesome product. And what we're doing is we're driving cold traffic to already done for you funnels that are already created and utilizing them as is. And it's been working out really amazingly, amazingly well. You know, like I indicated, some of the awesome perks that members love, you know, not only do you have access to some amazing products that will definitely by all means propel you forward in your online marketing career. No doubt about it. If you take these and if you utilize them and go out there and through your acquired knowledge and your newly acquired skill set, and you go out there and you apply and implement exactly what you're learning inside, take it to the marketplace, share it, utilize it to continue to build your business and build your brand. There's no way that you cannot succeed with the Power Lead system and with whatever business it is that you might be, you know, promoting. Perhaps you have a primary business and you want to, you know, pretty much put it, you know, on autopilot, largely on autopilot, and put it on steroids. This can definitely tremendously help you because, you know, it's a very largely automated system and process. So what that, you know, enables you to do is work smarter and not harder. So that's another reason why the members love this so much, because, you know, it gives us more free time out of our busy schedules so that we can go out there and really, you know, live life and enjoy life, do some great things that, you know, we really want to do and spend time with our families. When you have a system like this, you know, it makes all of that possible. Not to mention, you know, once you get into this, it enables you to earn, you know, unlimited income, of course, residual income, and it's very, very easy to promote. It really is. And primarily what we're doing is we're running cold traffic to a already done for you funnel system. Done for you funnels, there's many funnels inside that you can select from, and we're really working this, you know, using an as-is system, not reinventing the wheel or recreating any type of marketing systems. That's what's really, really nice. We're using simple share codes, we're plugging them in, and they are generating existing already done for you funnel systems. And then we have pre-written follow-up emails that go out once our prospects opt into our funnels to get more information, watch the sales presentation, and then, you know, we add them to our email list. And for an extended period of time, they receive follow-up emails from us for the Power Lead system. So it's really, really great because, you know, when most people, when they initially look at the Power Lead system for the first time, don't make an on-spot purchase. So, you know, over time, you know, people come in, they get in where they fit in, and then what's nice is they upgrade. And of course, that allows us to continue to generate income on these higher levels. Okay, so there's definitely something here for everybody. However, you know, if you're really serious about building your business, you want to do everything that you possibly can to come in at the absolute highest level and then upgrade accordingly if you need to. Okay, so, you know, just keep that in mind. You know, this is an ideal system. I mean, we have complete newbies who have never been able to achieve success online. They're coming in, they're joining us. They're following our training in the back office. They're following our team training in our Facebook team group, and they are ecstatic. They're seeing great results in a relatively short amount of time. They're going out there, they're having success, and they're ecstatic. And they're continuing to share their testimonials with us on our Hangouts and inside of our Facebook group. So it's really, really very inspiring, you know, what this system can do, the potential that it can unlock and unleash for you. If you have a primary business, and if you don't, you can make Power Lead system your primary business. So I'm always excited to continue to share this awesome business because people, you know, have a difficult time. They're usually challenged with recruiting people, and this pretty much uplifts those barriers. Once you get into this, get plugged in and learn what you need to, and then go out there and take action and make it happen. That eliminates a lot of the stresses and a lot of the burdens and, you know, the difficulties, the barriers that new marketers who come into the marketplace initially, you know, are challenged by and find perplexing. So this system can be a solution to all of that and so much more. And that's why I'm very passionate about the Power Lead system. And I love to continue to come out here and share these videos with you to educate you and introduce you to an awesome system. Okay. So basically, you know, the core foundation of the Power Lead system is generating traffic that converts. And that's, you know, why I invite you to take a close look at this, because that's another stumbling block that marketers face, especially newbie marketers, is generating an ample supply of traffic and leads to an offer. And once that process happens, being able to convert a percentage of the traffic and the leads into conversions, into paid signups, so that you can be in profit mode. So this has many, many functions that in order to become successful online, both short-term and long-term, are able to take care of and fulfill and make it possible for you to, you know, attain and achieve full-time income status. If that's what your desire is, this system, especially the way it is packaged now with a very highly leveraged comp plan and the release of the new Master Traffic Institute product this past year, people who truly want to generate full-time income potential can definitely do that with the Power Lead system. Okay, so it's really a phenomenal system with great value-based content and training and products, so that, you know, you can go out there and acquire the knowledge and develop the skill set that you need to become successful online. Okay, and this has helped so many marketers, thousands over the years. PLS has been around for a long time, and unlike a lot of other similar type of systems out there that the Power Lead system mirrors, what is unique about this is it has an awesome income generating opportunity attached to it, unlike other systems where, you know, with PLS you can go out there and generate everything from unlimited $20 payments and commissions all the way up now to $1,000 commissions. So super, super exciting. There's really, truly something in here for everybody. Utilizing PLS for your primary business, all you have to do is hook it up to your primary business and let it go to work for you. And if you don't have one, no need to worry. You can make PLS your primary business, because there's everything that you could ever want and need to be successful here with inside of the Power Lead system. Okay, it's an amazing community. I'm part of an amazing team. You will also join the ranks of this awesome dynamic community and team that I'm part of, and not only will you have expertise training in the back office that you can literally dive right into, but you will have additional supplemental team training and support to give you even more, I don't even quite know what the word is. It's been a long day, but it's going to give you more guidance, more knowledge, and more skill sets. That's exactly what I'm looking for. More guidance and skill set so that you can ensure that you're successful. Okay, all you have to do is bring a open mind, the right mindset, and a passion and willingness to learn and be coachable and teachable, and then take what we give you and go out there and take massive action, apply and implement it to your Power Lead system business or your primary business. Stay focused, committed, dedicated for a period of at least 90 days to 120 days till you build your initial foundation, and then just keep moving, keep going, and don't look back. Don't quit, don't stop. And you can be well on your way to a wonderful full-time income potential with everything that's built into the Power Lead system. So hopefully I've provided you with some insight, some information that you're seeking. Of course, I do invite you to take a close look at the Power Lead system firsthand for yourself, and you're going to be able to do that very easily. Click on the first link below in the description of this video and go through it, watch the presentation. It's an awesome presentation. Like I say, it converts extremely well, as is, people love it. It does an awesome job of utilizing cold traffic and converting a percentage of cold traffic into warm leads and paid signups over time. Okay, and everything is a process. You have to understand, like they say, Rome wasn't built overnight. But if you come into this and you just give it some time, be patient, stay committed, for a good solid 90 to 120 days, you're going to be amazingly surprised with where you're going to start to where you're going to be in that duration. Okay, because we have everything here for you that you need, and so very much more to be successful with the Power Lead system. So my name's Mary Beth Angelelli. What I invite you to do is to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, comment, provide me with some feedback, and subscribe, because what that's going to allow you to do when you subscribe to my channel, you'll get update notifications. The little bell will ding every time I put new, fresh content, new videos out there. So definitely subscribe to my channel, check everything out, and connect with me. I'll provide you with my Facebook link in the description. I'm always on Facebook, and I'm also utilizing it to build my businesses, including Power Lead System, YouTube marketing. You can learn all about that. That's a phenomenal platform to use to build your business. I've been utilizing video marketing now for 11 years, and it's done some amazing things for my businesses, folks, and it can do the same thing for you. Video marketing is definitely where it's at. It has so many advantages. You can build your brand. Attraction marketing is super powerful, and it enables you to really go out there and build credibility and brand yourself, and basically provide and build that all-important know, like, and trust in the eyes of your prospects, and brand yourself as a leader in the industry over time. So you definitely can get your message out there, speak your mind, share your business, and provide value, provide training, and provide great value-based content and proof as well for your businesses. So with all that being said, my name is Mary Beth Angelelli. Go ahead and subscribe. All the information that you need to review will be in the description. Feel free to reach out to me on Facebook. You can also text or call me. I'll provide you with my contact phone number in the description as well. So I'll tell you what, until the next video, definitely hopefully you're going to enjoy the presentation. Go forward and review everything, and I want to welcome you hopefully in advance to the Power Lead system and to the Freedom Takers team. Okay, until the next video, Mary Beth Angelelli, take care, have a great day, and enjoy the rest of summer 2018. See you real soon. Bye-bye.